Great question. Let's break it down simply. Compound microscope. It has two lenses, the objective lens and the eyepiece, ocular. It forms a magnified, inverted, and real image through the objective lens. Then the eyepiece magnifies this image again, forming a virtual, magnified, and inverted image. Why is the image inverted, but magnification is positive? Positive magnification, MP 0, usually means the image is erect. But in optics, when we say magnification is positive in a compound microscope, we are often referring to the angular magnification or overall magnification, which is a scalar, just the size increase. Inversion is not always indicated by the sign of magnification in compound microscopes. It's known separately by analyzing the ray diagram. In short, the compound microscope does invert the image, but we often ignore the negative sign in total magnification for simplicity, focusing more on how big the image is, not whether it's inverted. So, image is inverted due to lens system magnification is positive means image is larger. Want this with a diagram or animation for presentation.